Welcome to WeGuide. This is Mahit. Today we will find a new feature. Nearby Share is a feature introduced by Google for Android devices running on Android 6.0 or higher. It allows users to share files, photos, and links directly between devices in close proximity without the need of internet connection or any third-party apps or cables. With Nearby Share, users can share files and other contents with the nearby Android device that also have the feature enabled. This feature is a combination which uses Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS to detect the nearby devices and establish a direct connection between them. This feature is used to share between two Android devices and Android device to a PC and PC to an Android device. Let's see how to use Nearby Share feature. Open your PC browser, type Nearby Share. Click on the website. This type of layout will be shared. I will be sharing this link in our description. Wireless sharing with your PC made easy now. Send and receive photos, documents and more between nearby for Android devices and Windows devices. Get started with beta version. It's a beta version. Right click, open. Installation process is started now. Follow the process which is shown as per the screen. Once installation completed, go to search, type Nearby Share, click. This type of interface will be shown. Sign in. Use your Gmail account to sign into this account. Sign in. Now you are successfully signed into Nearby Share feature. Let's see how to use this. Here we have 4 options. 1. Receive from everyone. Receive from contacts. Receive from your device. Device hidden. Now I am selecting receive for everyone. Click on select files. Now I am going to share this video with my mobile device. Okay. Now it is looking for a nearby device. So on our phone, on the right side you can see my phone device. Here it will be shown like a notification. Click on that notification. Once you accept, the file transfer will be initiated. The file was transferred. It is so quick. Now you can see the video has been shared from the PC to my mobile device without any wire or any third-party app. Now we will try to share an image from the mobile to our PC. I am searching for a device now. It is showing on my PC on the left side. I had accepted on the PC. Open. The file has been shared with my PC. You can see the image has been transferred from the phone to PC. Now we'll try to share a video. Send. Nearby features. Searching. Accept in the PC. Once you accept, the file transfer was initiated. The file has been transferred. If you see, the file sharing is 5 Mbps per second. That was super fast. Now you can see the video has been shared from the mobile device to our PC. Once you're done, you can hide your device. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and bell icon for early notification. Please share with your family and friends and please follow us. Thank you very much.